we are on an apartment tour. Our current landlady, she wants to sell her apartment, so she gave us 1 month plus to find a new apartment. So we are in hunt of apartment right now. Anyways, I've been calling some apartments by myself from the apartment website kufa.by. My friends also helped me to call, but unfortunately we couldn't get anyone by ourselves because some of the landlords and landladies want to rent to foreigners, only Belarusians. So finally we settled for agency, and I paid the agency, I think $100 plus. And yeah, immediately I paid, they started sending different options for us. We checked. My wife selected a few, so we are going there right now to check it out to see if it will be what we want. So guys, come with us as we hunt for our new apartment. So we are here now. This is the building that we are going to check the apartment in. I just hope my wife loves it. Hey baby, I just hope you like it. All right, so let's go in and check if the apartment is gonna be nice. Хорошо. Love cupboards here. So you like this place?
Если надо, тарелки еще довезу. Да. Я привезу еще посуду, сколько, там штуки 4 тарелки, может, какие-то глубокие, если надо. Я, сейчас.
Yeah. Charge your phone, so yeah, it's yeah, I like it. It's nice. The toilet is nice, And even the bathroom is nice too. And so many cupboards.
Yeah, which is the best for me.
Yeah. It's nice.
So,
What do you think?
of course,
You don't check it out.
I like this. This already won my heart. It has the fridge and everything. The machine.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Там есть сквер, парк, water, вода, водная система. Можно прогуливаться.
So you like this place already? Huh?
Yes, I love it.
Okay.
And it's very nice.
Yeah, it doesn't have problem.
Very nice. It has 2 weeks.
Can set to I think it's a bigger one.
Yeah, smaller. I should have. So we have the cemetery. It's 58.
Спасибо большое. Alright, let's check out the environment.
Oh, this is beautiful.
There's also a very nice playground where one could play, It's really beautiful.